In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to record and add audio inside of Google Slides. It is super easy to do. First of all, you'll need to go up to workspace.google.com. Then from here, you'll need to go up to products and then choose the Google Slides over here, the presentation builder. Once you get inside of here, you'll see this page right here where you'll be able to sign in using your Gmail account. And from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you can open up a blank presentation or any other presentation that you're willing to make. Then from here, it should look something like this. And now it's time for recording or adding the audio to Google Slides. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the insert over here. And then from here, you'll be able to choose the audio that you can import. From here, you'll need to choose your audio from your Google Drive. And if you don't see one already, then you can always go up to Google Drive and then add in your audio that you want to place into your Google Slide. Once from that, you'll simply need to open it up and then import it into your Google Slide. Then from here, you'll have simply done it, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave me down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!